Hi everyone, I'm back. I'm gonna try to be more committed. Quick makeup today. I have this LYS foundation in LN6. I got this in a BoxyCharm if you saw my last video. Let's try it out. Very creamy. It blends out nicely. I just got out of the shower. My hair's all wet. I try not to blow dry my hair in the winter time. I mean summertime. Nice and even. It's very creamy. I like it. I thought the shade was gonna be off, but no, it's not bad. It's a pretty good shade match. All right, blush. I have this blush. This is from Farrah, came in the BoxyCharm. It's like a hot pink. All right, let's try that. Did I do it with my brush? It's very bright. I like a lot of blush, but this is the kind of blush that you have to be careful with. Different. I don't know if this bright color suits me or not. I'm gonna use an eye stick. This is the Quick Stick by Tarte. It is taupe luster in black.